So I'd like to talk about automation in farming, and this is a hot topic at the moment because there's a squeeze on labour, but there's also a squeeze on land as well. We need to get more out of farms, but at the same time to look after the land and the soil better. So getting more out with fewer people, that really sounds like a technology problem. So there are new technologies that are coming rapidly. One is to automatically tend plants, so picking, weeding and harvesting as well. Now, through the generations, machines have got wider and wider, bigger and bigger, heavier and heavier, and there's little point in making them any bigger, partly because they won't go through the gates anymore, but also it's diminishing returns. There's no point in just blanketing a farm with a particular treatment. We want to get down to the individual level, treating individual plants one by one. And that is possible now with computer vision techniques. It's been used in food processing and it's now coming onto the back of tractors. And this technology is robust enough to leave the lab, to look at a plant, decide if it's healthy, identify fruit for picking. And that's fine, but it's still quite a difficult problem and it can only go so far. What's really making the difference is artificial intelligence and machine learning. These techniques that are now cheap and fast and robust enough to be useful on a farm and allow a machine to treat a plant individually, to work out if it's diseased, to move an actuator to the right place, to tend it, to weed it, to pick it. So I think these are really exciting times. The technology is improving rapidly, the market need is very, very strong, and early adopters are doing real things with this type of technology this year. And it's just the beginning. I think 2018 is going to be the year of robot farming.